Hello, lovely. So we have an amazing poinsettia cake today. This is made with white chocolate and it's a coconut cake. Coconut cake will be on a different video, but what we've got right now is this beautiful white poinsettia cake made with camellia leaves that if you have some in your garden or your house, you can just pick a few and make it. So, super easy to do. You can also make the poinsettia with red chocolate or dark chocolate. It's a beautiful way to garnish your desserts during this time. So let's get in it. But before I do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Naughty to nice, Chef Paulette, great to see you. Okay, so this is how you make a lovely white poinsettia. You could also make a chocolate one, or you could also use red candy melts. I'm using Ghirardelli white because I want to do like a winter white poinsettia. So all I've done is simply melted the white chocolate. So to make sure that it's nice and loose, okay, and melted. Usually I start 30 seconds, then I stir it, 10 seconds, stir it, 10 seconds, stir it, and that's usually pretty close. And just so you know, you want to make sure you use very firm, non-toxic leaves. Camellia leaves, I think, are one of the best. And you don't want to use the shiny side, you want to use the other side. So what I'm going to do is just simply do an excess. And you want to go all the way. Okay, literally going to go all the way to the stem. Okay, get as smooth, as much on there as you can. I'm getting a little bit sloppy here. It's going to be gorgeous anyway. right, darling, so now I've got my cake, and now I'm going to put this poinsettia together. These are amazing. Look at these beautiful, beautiful leaves. So here's what I'm gonna do. So I have my coconut cake, which is definitely festive. And so I'm gonna just put a little bit of, I don't wanna put it directly on the top. I just want it to be kind of like on the side. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of frosting on there. And of course, you know, I told you about the one that I broke. So I'm gonna start with him because he's gonna be on the bottom. And then I'm just gently going to put each of these little flowers around. And I want, obviously, my smaller ones and prettier ones right there, just kind of cross. So you're gonna have 5 across. Okay. Ooh, she's so pretty. Okay. This larger guy right there. Okay. And I'm just going to put 5 on the outside and about 3 of the smaller ones on the inside. Maybe just 1 more there, just for good measure. Oh, how pretty. And then I'm going to take, because I want this to be a winter wonderland, so I'm going to put silver, but you could certainly put some gold dragées on there, but I'm doing like a winter white. So I'm just going to sprinkle some silver dragées right there in the center. They're being a bit naughty right now. Lovely. Okay, a few more. Okay, these are kind of like your poinsettia stamen that go in the center. Okay, very nice. Very nice. All right then. So there you have it. This is your winter white poinsettia cake. And I'm gonna put it a little bit closer so you guys can see it. She's a little lovely with her little flower. And once again, I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching Naughty to Nice, Chef Paulette. There's our beautiful poinsettia cake. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And if you haven't liked, shared, and subscribed, I'll hope you do now. Naughty to Nice, www.naughty2nice. Thank you so much.